Easy and simple way to design graphics, as per Printful embroidery guidelines. Graphics designing is the new boom in the market. However, when you wish to digitize designs for embroidery printing, you need to have a close eye on the deliverables of the digitized files according to the services of the printing agency. When designing for embroidery, a design professional needs to work within set guidelines to ensure that the graphics can be successfully translated to embroidery for accurate printing. Here comes the role of the printing agency. Most of the time, a print-on-demand agency has a set of guidelines according to the embroidery machines that they use. Printful is one of the popular on-demand printing services, which delivers incredible quality while maintaining the specifications of the set embroidery design. Here are some quick pointers to design graphics for embroidery, as per Printful embroidery guidelines. Digitization. Embroidery designs follow a different process than printing. This is why files must be converted to a vector file, preferably in AI, PDF, or EPS formats. This is called file digitization. If you don't have provisions for these, a high-resolution PNG file will also work. A nominal one-time fee is charged for embroidery format conversion and file digitization by Printful. Image size. Images selected by you need to fit within a resolution range of 150 dpi and 300 dpi. Uploading bigger files or resizing low-quality photos will not help create a good design. Minimalist. While computers can duplicate complex designs with multiple colors and transparent effects, that is not the case with embroidery machines and threads. It is best to follow a minimalist approach with embroidery. Limited colors. Less is better in this case too. The fewer your color choices, the more polished the end design will be. Printful offers 15 colors, but limits selection of up to 6 colors per design, irrespective of embroidery type. Symmetry. Placement of embroidery designs on custom clothing, be it hats, polo shirts, jackets, bags, etc., is critical. Center your design in Printful's embroidery template and ensure that you span out equally in both directions from there. If you are worried about the actual result, get Printful's embroidery samples before ordering in bulk. Backgrounds. When we say backgrounds, we mean both large filled areas behind your design and transparent or blank space. Large filled areas could be one solid color as well as multiple colors and patterns. Embroidery designs usually have a maximum of 15,000 stitches. Having either kind of filled background will consume a lot of your available stitch count. When working with large, transparent spaces, ensure your image is placed correctly. If you have a lot of text or design with narrow negative spaces in between, fill them with color so that your design pops. Printful specifications. Before submitting your graphic designs to Printful, you need to understand a few more things. Ensuring familiarity with the guidelines below will help you create or design graphical images suitable for embroidery file digitizing by Printful. Embroidery type. While there are several types of commercial embroidery, Printful offers the 3 most popular kinds: standard, 3D puff embroidery, and a partial 3D puff. Flat embroidery. This is a simple embroidery style as threads are placed directly on the fabric, giving it a very flat appearance. It is mostly used on polos, hats, jackets, sweatshirts, etc. 3D puff embroidery. This kind of embroidery is used to give a pop-up appearance to embroidery designs. It is excellent for larger designs that need a more dramatic effect. Partial 3D puff. This is a combination of both flat and 3D puff embroidery styles. Areas selected by you, as 3D will use the puff method whereas the other design elements will remain flat. Stitch type. The 3 most popular stitch types Printful offers are satin, run, and tatami fill. sand stitch is used for shapes that range from 0.053 to 0.53, while tatami stitch works better for forms that go beyond 0.53, 12.5 millimeters. When you choose Cre8iveSkill for your graphics needs, you get highly trained and talented operators and design professionals who work on graphics designing for embroidery, putting our design services on par with Printful's design services. Choose us and all your design-related problems will have a final solution.